Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you an app that is absolutely incredible. It has it all. This app is really good, and I'm going to guide you through setting up everything you need. We're doing this on a FireStick device, but it also works on all Android TV boxes, 4K devices, and Google streamers. If you are on an Android device, you just go to the Play Store and follow that basic process. But today, we're focusing on the FireStick. I know there are a lot of FireStick fans here on TechVibes who are still using their devices and trying to get the absolute most out of them. I'm using the FireStick 4K Max 2nd edition, but you can do this on any FireStick or Fire TV model. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. So here we are on the FireStick home screen. The very first thing you need to do is go to the settings menu. Please note this specific method does not work on the FireStick Select model. Go to settings, then select My Fire TV. Now, you might see developer options listed right here. If you are doing this for the first time, you won't see it yet. All you have to do is click on the About button. Once you click About, highlight your device name and click on it 7 or 8 times quickly. It will say, "Congratulations, you are now a developer." When you press the back button, you will see that developer options is now visible and enabled. Next, press the home button on your remote. Now we're going to go straight to the search bar. From here, search for the downloader application. There are a few different apps, so look for the orange icon with a big white letter D right in the middle. Click on that icon to go to the download page. Once you are on this page, click the download button to install it. After it downloads, open the application up. You will see a red cursor on the screen that allows you to type in web addresses. Before we enter anything, press the home button on your remote. Go back to your settings menu again. Navigate to My Fire TV and select Developer Options. Click on Install Unknown Apps and flick the setting to the On position for Downloader. Once that is turned on, press the Home button and open Downloader again. Now, move your cursor up to the address bar and click inside. Type in the following address exactly as it appears: voix.livebytheunknown.com/downloads. Once you have typed that in, press the Next button. It will automatically start downloading our quick setup wizard tool. Click the install button once it finishes downloading. After it finishes, click Done. Then select Delete and confirm by clicking Delete once more. Press the home button again. Go to your settings, select My Fire TV, open developer options, go to install unknown apps, and make sure your new tool is toggled to the on position. Always make sure unknown apps is set to on for any new installer tools. Now return to your home screen and launch our installer wizard. Launches, it will ask if your device is plugged into direct wall power. Running a FireStick off a television USB port can cause bugs and performance errors, so make sure it is plugged into a wall outlet. Select Continue once you confirm wall power. IT will check your available storage space, and then you can hit Continue again. Next, IT will prompt you regarding VPN protection. Serious. This is a very important step. Select the IP Vanish option on your screen. A QR code will appear. A reliable VPN is necessary to ensure all features and streams inside these applications function correctly. Many applications require a secure connection to load full content libraries and receive updates properly. To set this up, scan the QR code using your mobile phone or click the link provided in the pinned comment. Excited! Through TechVibes, you can get an exclusive discount of over 80% off, bringing the cost down to just a couple of dollars a month. This gives you full access across unlimited devices including Fire Sticks, Android TVs, mobile phones, and computers. Pause. Pause the video right here to scan the code, create your account with your email and password, and complete the setup. Once your account is created, select the option on your screen that says "I've signed up" and continue. On the following screen, confirm by selecting Yes, Continue, and then hit the download button. This will install the IP Vanish application onto your FireStick. Once installed, open the app and select Login. Type in the email address and password you just created, and press the Login button. Once logged in, click on the gear icon to adjust your settings. Toggle Connect on Android Startup to the on position. Toggle Connect on IP Vanish Launch to the on position as well. Under the VPN Protocol section, make sure WireGuard is selected. Now go back to the main menu, select Location, go to Countries, and choose United States. Save AET to your favorites, select AET, and click Connect. Accept the connection request prompt when AET appears on screen. Now your connection is secure and fully encrypted. Press the Home button and reopen our Installer Wizard tool. AIET will recognize your secure connection and enable the Proceed button. Click Continue. You will now see the option to install our primary application store. Click Install to begin downloading the store onto your device. Once downloaded, click Install and then press Continue when finished. You will then see an option to join the TechVibes Insider Update list. Joining this free list ensures you get immediate notifications whenever apps get updated or new features roll out. AIET costs $0 and keeps you completely up to date. You can scan the QR code on screen with your phone to enter your email address. I will select No Thanks for now to proceed. If you want to install additional backup stores, you can do so, or simply click Skip. The tool will run a quick connection test, and then you can click Continue to Home. We are all set up with our App Store and protection. Go back to your FireStick settings, select My Fire TV, open Developer Options, select Install Unknown Apps, and toggle the new store to the On position. Return to your main screen and open the store. Click Allow on the permission prompt. Inside the store, you can browse through various categories or use the search function. Navigate to the Best Apps category to find today's featured application. Click on the app to download IET. The download speeds are fast, and this application does not require any external media players to run. Once the file finishes downloading, click Install. Once installed, click Done. You can now launch the application directly from your Apps row and enjoy all of its content and features. Everything is configured and fully protected with your VPN running in the background. If you haven't grabbed your VPN discount yet, you can still scan the barcode on screen or use the link in the pinned comment below. That wraps up today's setup guide on TechVibes. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like on the video, leave a comment down below with your thoughts or questions, and hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on so you never miss a new release. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. The search function. Navigate to the Best Apps category to find today's featured application. Click on the app to download IET. The download speeds are fast, and this application does not require any external media players to run. Once the file finishes downloading, click Install. Once installed, click Done. You can now launch the application directly from your Apps row and enjoy all of its content and features. Everything is configured and fully protected with your VPN running in the background. If you haven't grabbed your VPN discount yet, you can still scan the barcode on screen or use the link in the pinned comment below. That wraps up today's setup guide on TechVibes. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like on the video, leave a comment down below with your thoughts or questions, and hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on so you never miss a new release. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.